Hi, I'm Leslie Greening, and today I would like to talk to you about scheduling training people for project deliverables. Projects are all about change of one type or another, and generally the end user will need some form of training. The users of the deliverables need to know what the new product or service is and how to use it. This could be a new production tool, IT software, or even a new process for working. In a few projects I've worked on, training hasn't been given much consideration in the schedule. It may be represented by a single line item or just a few tasks, without much thought about the scope, cost or timing involved. Training can range from minimal on-the-job instruction, such as a new version of software, to more involved training. For example, IT might create a document with the relevant changes, like click this button instead of that, or this new form will replace the old one, and distribute it to the workforce. While this may not seem like much, it still requires consideration and planning. This can lead to delays if done too late, as the training company may need to schedule the training alongside their other clients, or ensure that an experienced trainer is available when needed. On the other hand, some training might not have much impact on daily routines, and people can be scheduled into a course with little disruption. However, for more significant changes, such as the rollout of a new high-tech train or bus, drivers may need to learn a completely new way of operating. Many modern trains are computerized with a central control system, which may be entirely unfamiliar to the drivers, requiring significant training time. Hospital staff, for example, may need to learn to operate new medical equipment like scanners or lasers. Timing is a critical factor. As a project manager, you need to ensure that the project and training schedules are aligned. If workers are attending training courses, who will cover their regular work activities? Training must happen at the right time. If it's too early, a refresher course may be needed, as trainees may forget essential details by the time they need to apply what they've learned. If it's too late, it can cause delays in using the project deliverables. If it's too early, a refresher course may be needed, as trainees may forget essential details by the time they need to apply what they've learned. To summarize, here are some key points to keep in mind when scheduling training. How will the training be delivered? Online, on the job, or in a classroom environment? Who needs the training and what are the specific requirements? How much time will the training take? Has the training been planned adequately? How complex is it to schedule the training within the employee's normal workload? Remember, it's important to include training in your schedule early to ensure that everything is planned and coordinated with the training department. Even if there's a separate training plan, make sure there are adequate tasks and touch points in the master plan to align schedules and ensure readiness when needed. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information useful. If so, please subscribe and check out my other videos.